This channel was only created 4 months ago. This channel was created 3 months ago, and this one was created 2 months ago. So what do all these channels have in common? Thousands of views and also thousands of subscribers. But these are new channels. How are they getting so many subscribers in such a short amount of time, which some people dream to have? Well, all these channels are using this secret strategy to help themselves gain so many impressions, and afterwards convert their viewers into subscribers. Let's look at this video, for example, on this channel that has seen massive success within only 3 months, and their first video with over 1 million views. YouTube is slowly changing and giving more opportunities towards new creators on their platform. They are checking to see if these new creators are first making quality content, and if it passes this check, they begin to roll out their videos into the YouTube homepage, where the fun actually begins. As more viewers click on your video, YouTube begin to analyze the viewers' retention and actions while watching your video. If they see that the viewers engage throughout the entire video and even takes extra time to comment and give the video a like, this will go a long way into boosting your video to be seen on YouTube's homepage. So you might be wondering what the secret trick into achieving the thousands of subscribers and views these exceptional YouTube channels are doing. While it can be broken down into these 3 important steps: the title and thumbnail, the intro, and the overall quality of the video. Before the viewer actually is able to see your video, they must click on your thumbnail. So if you have an exceptional video but a trash thumbnail, you can expect your video to fall. Most importantly is the content itself. The first minute is essential and crucial. You want to jump right into the point, engaging the viewer and trying to make them stay to watch your video. The longer they stay, the more it will benefit your channel in the long run. Lastly, the overall quality of the video, what determines the conversion of viewers into long-term subscribers. This is the hardest. By creating quality videos that don't drag on and are persistently engaging from start to finish, it gives viewers their impression to subscribe to your channel because of how close and important your content might have on them personally. Now that you know the strategy, it is your turn as a YouTube creator to try it out and post high quality content. Right now is the easiest time for small creators to make it big. So don't wait and start writing the script right now. If you feel like you get value from this video, please make sure to subscribe and like. I'll see you guys all in next week's video.